Good morning all, how are you Australia? Well, wherever you guys all follow me, it's Australia, Malta, UK, US, Germany, and one person in Laos. Okay, that's the followers at the moment. Thank you for the big community groups in Malta and the big groups in Australia, all over, Sydney, Melbourne and Adelaide that follow my channel and support us and also message us as well. Anyway, we're back here at the Maltese Bocce Club at Altona North, and we're doing another cookout today. And we're doing spaghetti and meatballs today, and Italian style. And I'm here early in the morning before the roosters actually wake up. I've got my assistant photographer behind me filming, Peter. Thanks, Peter. And we're just going to prepare, as you see on the yesterday's video. I was here preparing the meatballs, which I'll show you in a second. I prepared the meatballs and I put them in the freezer or fridge yesterday, and these are the ones that are prepared, ready to go, and they're already set to go in the sauce and of course the frying before, and then we'll do spaghetti a bit later on, but until then I will get back to you. Okay, so keep watching and get hungry.
The day before, I prepared the onions, the garlic and the parsley. I chopped them up very, very finely to put into the sauce. I cracked open 4 to 5 eggs and beated them up and mixed it in with the mincemeat, with the parsley, garlic and onions. I then used my clean hands to mix all the ingredients together with the mincemeat. I made little balls, meatballs, and placed them in a big tray, ready to be fried and then put into the sauce.
Just stirring the onions up now, and as we're making a lot of sauce today, so there's quite a bit of onions in here today. I'm just going to add the garlic to it now. Stir that up, a bit more olive oil. Good stuff. Alright, just going to put some tomato paste in here. So 2 tablespoons. Half there, so in there. Right, I'm just going to add some beef stock to this. Something different today. Not a lot, but a little bit. That's it for now. Adding some more basil to it, of course, my secret weapon. Basil's good. Add it to the sauce. Let it simmer. I'm going to put some rock salt in there. Not too much, maybe 2 handfuls. A bit more. And I'm going to add some pepper. Give it a stir. We've got the meatballs ready to be fried a little bit in the frying pan, olive oil and with some herbs, and then we'll put it to the sauce a bit later on, okay? I'm going to grab these meatballs, bit by bit, and fry them now in my frying pan. Yeah. Alright, we're going to now put some meatballs into the sauce and keep some meatballs out of the sauce, okay? Because might not all fit in here, so we're going to put some in here, one by one, of course. All that in there. We'll add a few more. As you can see, the meatballs now start to form. It's already half cooked, the meatball. It's sealed. All the nutritious stuff and garlic added to the meatballs that I'm frying, and basil, and, rosemary. Now it's all going to blend. Okay, so I'll leave it simmer now there for about half an hour and it'll be ready. I'm going to add some raw sugar to this. About 2 tablespoons because there's a massive amount of salt. And a little bit. Well, everybody, here we go. That's the spaghetti and meatballs inside. You can see I'm just giving it a good stir now and a good shuffle. And we'll go from there and serve this on the plates for everybody. Yes, we're going to serve this on the plates, give it a good stir. Filming myself, my cameraman has disappeared. Yeah, so there is, there's the product there. And there's the finished product there, and before it's been garnished, of course. Everybody, the meal is finished and complete. The spaghetti meatballs was a good turnout today. Everybody enjoyed it. Plenty left over if you like some. Usually I wrap up myself and start cleaning up, and I've been here since 7 o'clock. Again, next one is on. We'll let you know through Facebook. If you've got Facebook, join it. If you don't have Facebook at all, you don't like it, ask somebody that's a member, he'll tell you what's happening in the club, and we'll go from there. Until then, I'm Chef Sam. I'll see you later. Bye.